Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The prayer at the time of beginning a journey. So when you start a journey, so you should read this dua before starting your journey. So I will read first. You have to repeat after me. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahumma Allahumma bika asulu wa bika ahulu wa bika asiru. So the Allah name we read in a heavy sound. On the meme there is a shad sign, so we make ghunna. Asulu, sad we read again in heavy sound, we long also due to waw madda. Wabika ahulu, here also we long due to waw madda. Wabika asiru, here is ya madda, we long as well here. So now we say all together. Allahumma bika asulu wa bika ahulu wa bika asir. Allahumma bika asulu wa bika ahulu wa bika asir. Allahumma bika asulu wa bika ahulu wa bika asir. This is today's lesson. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.